Some breaking news. New York Attorney General Letitia James, who indicted Donald Trump long before the election, has now been indicted for fraud by President Trump's legal team in Virginia.
James has long been the target of Mr. Trump after she brought a civil case where he was ordered to pay $500 million for inflating value of his properties to get more favorable loans. An appellate court recently ruled that fine was excessive.
Eyewitness News reporter Dan Krauth is here now with reaction from James. Dan.
Bill and Liz, the federal documents right here were just unsealed. The Attorney General is facing 2 counts, including bank fraud and false statements to a financial institution. Letitia James released a video statement in response just a few minutes ago. Have a listen.
These charges are baseless, and the president's own public statements make clear that his only goal is political retribution at any cost. I'm a proud woman of faith, and I know that faith and fear cannot share the same space. And so today, I'm not fearful. I'm fearless. And as my faith teaches me, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. We will fight these baseless charges aggressively, and my office will continue to fiercely protect New Yorkers and their rights. And I will continue to do my job.
This case all revolves around a home James bought 2 years ago in Virginia and whether she listed that home as her primary residence to get a cheaper mortgage rate, something her attorney has repeatedly denied. Now, it was just a few weeks ago the former U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, where this case is happening, was ousted after failing to bring criminal charges against James. Since then, the president appointed his former personal attorney, Lindsay Halligan, to the position. And during that time, she has brought charges against James Comey for lying to Congress, which he pled not guilty to yesterday, and now charges against James today. 2 of the president's political opponents in 3 weeks' time. I just spoke with an attorney who has handled cases like this before. He says they're rare.
These types of mortgage fraud cases have been brought in the past. I've represented people who have been charged with those offenses, but they're not that common because generally speaking, when people apply for a mortgage and they may indicate that it's my primary residence when it's not, in order to secure that type of interest rate, so long as they're making the mortgage payments, generally speaking, nobody knows.
James will now have to surrender at some point to federal law enforcement, and a date will be set for an arraignment where she will be formally charged. If convicted, each count faces up to 30 years in prison and up to a $1 million fine.